Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This video is the best business bank accounts in 2025. I know this video is coming slightly later than planned in 2025, but these are the best business bank accounts that I found in October 2025. So whether you're watching this video now or at the beginning of next year, it still will be current information and you will still be able to find the best business account for you based on watching this video. So before we get into it, please take a second to give it a like. Thanks for the like. If you want to stick around and see more videos from me, be sure to subscribe. Let's get into it. Like I said, if you are a business owner looking for a new business bank account, then this is the video for you. I'm going to tell you about 4 of the best business bank accounts that are around right now. I'll tell you the good and bad features of all of them, and so you can decide which one is right for you. So whether you're running a limited company and you need a business bank account, or if you're a sole trader or freelancer and you just want to separate your personal and business finances, then this is the right video for you. My top choice for the second year in a row is the Tide business bank account. So why is it my top choice? Well, I think this one is a great all-rounder business account. So I'll tell you about the fees, the key info, and then any features that I think are good about this account. I'll do that for all the accounts, but let's start with the Tide one. They charge 20p plus a 1.5% foreign exchange fee for international transfers. Card transactions are free and ATM withdrawals are £1. There's a small fee for cash deposits, so if you deposit cash at the post office, they will charge 0.5%. The account itself is free. I'm going to talk to you about the free account today, but they do have paid accounts which give you a few more features. But as I said, this is just all about the free Tide account. That's all about the fees. So now I'll tell you some of the key info with this account. So your money is FSCS protected up to £85,000 in this account and all of the accounts that I'm going to tell you about today. If you do decide to open a Tide bank account after watching this video and you also open their instant saver, then you can get £200 of free cash. I'll leave the code for that in the description box below. So if you want to sign up for the account and get £200 as well, then you might as well. Their savings account also pays 4% interest, which is cool. It has a lot of features that help you automate your business banking. One feature that I like is that you can auto categorize your income. So in a similar way that you can do with some personal banking apps, you can do that with Tide, which I do like. You can link it with your accounting software, or you can export your transactions so that you can send those to your accountant. There are lots of payment options as well, so you can get payment links, you can set up tap to pay and get a card reader, and you can get expense cards for team spending. Card transactions are free, like I said. Cash deposits do have a small fee, and you can make international payments as well with a 1.5% foreign exchange fee. You can manage the account in the Tide app. One limitation with the free account is that you can only create 3 invoices per month with the free one. So if that's obviously something that you need to have more of, then you would need to sign up for one of the paid accounts. So they do have some good offers, but that's just something to point out. And you do get access to more features that way. I've just checked and the lowest one is £13.99 a month. Overall, this is my top business bank account for the second year running because of all the features that I've mentioned. I think it's the best account that offers the most for free, and then if you want to get access to additional features, then you could go for one of the paid plans. The next account is called the Mettle business bank account. This is from NatWest. Let's start by talking about the fees with this one. It is a free account. UK transfers in and out are free as well. You can't make international transfers, so there's no fees for this because you can't do them. And it's free to deposit cash at the post office, but there is a daily limit of £500. And the max that you can deposit in a year at the post office is £23,000. Those are the main fees. So as I've pointed out, you might have noticed you can't do international transfers with this one. So if you are looking to do that, then you would need to choose one of the other accounts. You could choose Tide, which I just mentioned. If you need to deposit cheques with your business or deposit larger sums of money, then you might need to consider a high street bank because these usually offer this service, but it is at a fee. Anyway, back to the Mettle account. The key info about this one: you do need to be a sole trader or own a limited company that has a maximum of 2 owners. Your company needs to be UK based, and the maximum balance that you can have in the account is £1 million. Your money in this account is again protected up to £85,000 by the FSCS. Next, the key features with this account. First one is customizable invoices. This is pretty standard, but obviously it's something that you want to be able to do. You can get access to their free accounting software, or you can sync it with your existing accounting software. There are tax savings pots included in the account, so you can auto save into these pots to save for your taxes. You can create scheduled payments and direct debits. You can make standing orders on working days, and you can manage the account online or in the app. You can upload receipts in the form of photos or PDFs, and then you can match them easily. And you can also auto match payments to invoices once you've set up the rules for this. One final thing with this one is that they do pay interest on your balance. At the moment it's 1.06%. That's all about the Mettle business bank account. It's my second choice. It has some great features, I think, and it could be great for you if these are the kinds of features that you're looking for. Obviously there are some limitations with this one, as with all of them, so it would just be up to you to decide if this is the right one for you. I have two more great accounts to tell you about. The first one is another online bank, and the final one is actually a high street bank. It's my best pick, my top pick from the high street business bank accounts that are on offer, so stay tuned for that if that's something that you're looking for. This next one is the Starling business bank account. I'll start with the fees. UK bank transfers are completely free. You can make international transfers which are subject to a foreign exchange fee. You also get access to multi-currency business accounts, so you can have a business account in US dollars and euros. You can withdraw cash from an ATM for free, and if you withdraw from a post office then you pay a 50p fee. To deposit cash at a post office the fee is 0.7%, and there are no fees to use your card abroad. Those were the main fees. With this account your money is FSCS protected up to £85,000. There is no maximum balance with this account. There is a maximum cash deposit of £5,000 per day and £100,000 per year, and the maximum amount that you can spend on the card in a single day is £10,000. You can manage the account online or in the Starling app. You can also deposit cheques in the app, but the maximum value of these cheques is £500. If your cheques are worth more than that, then you can post them to Starling. Some final features about this account: you can link it to your existing accounting software. You can capture receipts and link them easily with photos or PDFs or however your receipts come. You have separate what they call spaces in the app, so these can be savings pots that you can use to set aside savings for taxes. You can set up Apple and Google Pay, and you can allow multiple directors to access the account. That's all about the Starling business bank account. I think it has some great features, and in particular it has some good international banking features as well. The final business bank account that I'm going to tell you about is with a high street bank. It's my top pick of the high street bank account because of the features and the fees. So as I said earlier, this might be better for you if you do need to deposit larger amounts of cash, or if you need to regularly deposit cheques. It is my top choice amongst the high street business bank accounts, and it is with Barclays. I'll start by telling you about the fees. So it is a free account for the first 12 months. After the first 12 months, then there is a fee of £8.50 per month. UK transfers are free and card payments are free. International transfers are subject to a £15 fee. It's free to withdraw cash from an ATM, and you can withdraw up to £750 per day from an ATM. You can deposit cash at the post office, and this is charged at 60p per £100. And you can deposit cheques in the app, and this is charged at 60p per cheque. You can also withdraw larger amounts of cash from the branch, but if you want to withdraw any more than £2,000, then you do need to give them 24 hours notice. Those are the main fees with this account. So some of the features that I particularly like are that you do get free accounting software, and you can get access to free business support as well. Overall, I think it's a solid option with a high street bank if that's what you're looking for. That's it for today's video. Those were the best business bank accounts in 2025. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please leave a like and a comment and let me know. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.